Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Power of Trend. Let us check how Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed this week, and also let us see how good our indicator is also working so far. And guys, it was a very good week for the bulls, and on 17th it was a good bullish trend, and on 18th it was a gap up, and again on 19th it was a gap up. On 20th there was a slight gap down, but it was recovered later on, and again on the 21st on Friday it was a gap up, and slightly it has sold into the last 2 hours. It was a rigorous selling on the 21st. Let us turn on our indicator and analyze Nifty in different time frames as well. So this is a complete indicators. Let us see how it has worked on intraday basis first. So this three is for intraday purpose. See, on 17th it was a gap up and it was sold into, and 18th it was in between our green channel, and again 18 again on 19th it was a gap up, so there was no entry at all for intraday purpose. On 19th again it has come to our levels inside our green channel, and it has taken a support in between our green channels. That is where we have this purple line as well. And on 20th it has opened exactly at our green channel, and it was difficult for market to cross our purple resistance. So and then it crossed but couldn't cross our green channel, so there is no entry at all for intraday purpose. Now let us turn on our long term, I mean swing trading purpose. This is for swing trading. You can carry it for 1 or 2 days. Wow, it was so beautiful. On 17th it was a gap up. As I always tell, for a swing trade, it should cross our red channels, either for a sell or a buy. So this was a buy gap up on 18th, and if somebody would have bought here again, see somewhere our red channel was 17,350, and market has gone up to 17,650. So almost from 350 to 650, 300 points. 300 points in Nifty is a uh, good profit, I mean to say. So on 18th, it has gap up, and again. So now you can consider our channels as a support now. Once it cross, it acts as a support. So market is completely bullish now, and we'll see how it looks in a daily time frame. Okay, this is crossing our resistance. This is a trend line which I have drawn for Nifty. So on weekly time frame, this is how it looks. So last week it was an inside bar pattern. As soon as it crossed 17,400, it has gone up to 17,670. So this is a stiff trend line where a lot of times it is getting rejections. So one, two, three, 4 times it has got rejected. Once it crosses, probably we can see 18,000. Now let us see uh, how Bank Nifty has performed. So Bank Nifty on say 17, it was bullish completely. On 18th, it was a gap up as you can see here, and sorry, that was a disturbance. Okay, and 19th, it was a gap up, but it was sold into. Then again 20th it was a gap down and it was recovered. Again on 21st it was a gap up and it was a clear bullishness throughout the day until unless the last 2 hours where we saw the selling. Let us see how good our indicator has worked for uh, intraday trading. Wow. On 17th, it has clearly opened outside our channel where you could have bought at the higher level at the candle's high, and then it was a clear bearishness. And from there, if somebody would have carried, probably they would have had a good profit. And again, the 18th, there is no entry at all for intraday because it's a gap up. And again, on 19th, it was a gap up, but it has come inside our green channel, and the purple line has acted as an resistance. Sorry, acted as a support, but again, it broke down, and green channel acted as a resistance. It couldn't cross. Then it was a gap down on 20th, no entry at all, so couldn't cross our green channel. So no way it was an entry. But still, if somebody would have sold at the lower levels, probably they would have made some profit. On 21st, it was a good entry. It is opened in between our channels, and then at the higher level of our channel, you could have bought and made some profit. So let us see how good it has worked for swing trading. Swing trading, it has crossed the red channel on 17th, and if somebody would have carried, there was an entry of 39,600, you can call it. From 39,600 to next day, you could have got 40,400 rupees within a span of 1 day. As it has crossed our red channels, so it is completely a bullish market now. The trend is bullish. As you can see, it has never come close to our red channel. So it is way above our red channel, and it is a very bullish trend, I can call it. Last week completely it was a bullish trend. And let us see how it looks in an say daily time frame. So this is how the trend line was working so far. On July, there was an uh, breakout from the trend line, and from there it has gone up and it has retraced, and then again it has tried moving higher. Then again came down on October. Now slightly went up and came back. Now it is trying to cross the all-time high of 40, almost 42,000. So on weekly time frame, see this is how the channel it has formed. Even though Bank Nifty has crossed, the Nifty is still struggling to cross the trend lines. So let us see, probably next month, and it might cross. Friends, for more learning, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel as well. Please register for our training program, and where we teach you a lot of technical things, how to analyze the chart. It's basically a practical knowledge which I have learned from the market. So please do register for our training program. It's a mentorship program for 6 months, and I'm sure that in a span of 6 months of time, you will learn pretty good things about the market. Okay. So please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also keep checking our Telegram and Instagram channel as well, where we will be posting you a lot of updates and stocks updates and all other stuff. Thank you.